Had a beard. Grizzly Jeffrey has a better beard. Check it out, guys. It's been like 2 months since I've uploaded anything, and last time I think I had just like barely a little scruff. You see, the age has like taken kindly to old Jeffrey, unlike some individuals. Just kidding, guys. I'm having a really hard time with work, so it's been fun, you know. I haven't had much time to stream, but the past couple times I have streamed, most recently, Uncle Larry, Joe, and my brother, the little bastard, decided that they were going to prank me in the middle of my stream. And I'm playing Resident Evil 7, and I get scared easily when there's all these like action scares, and I get jumpy. And I'm playing this, and then here's what happened. Just watch. That's right. And then Tamara. And now I die. I fucking hate this. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck, I did it! Dissection room key. Yeah, fuck yeah. How's my day been? It's been okay. I can't believe I actually just did. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is this shit? Fucking asshole. These motherfuckers just fucking tape this fucking thing in my window. And then nail me with fucking water balloons. I'm fucking covered. See? Yeah, fun, right? Uh-huh. So they just put this fucking, like, I don't even know what it is, this head in my window, and then we're saying all this shit. I thought it was an actual person just, like, fucking with me, which I don't like. And I went outside. They nailed me with a bunch of, like, water balloons, and I trip over a fucking, like, flower pot holder, which I bought, that I didn't end up using, so I just shoved it outside because I figured, well, why not? I'll put it here. The garage is full. Trip over that. I come out trying to, like, chase them down, and they're all gone and everything. And then I see them freaking, like, they left, like, these little buckets trying to make it seem like it was Jesse and Buzz. But Jesse was involved, but then they thought they were really clever by leaving those buckets. That hilarious, guys. Then you uploaded the video, and I knew exactly who it was. So, I've been working a lot recently. Like, I'm like over 60 hours a week. I'm like also in like township operations. I'm on council. I'm developing the budget. So, I haven't had much time to do anything. But you know what? I'm going to take a part of my busy Sunday, and I'm going to prank Uncle Larry because he deserves it, okay? And I'm not gonna, these are my supplies. I went to Heritage and bought like milk and orange juice and eggs and shit. You know, nice balanced breakfast. Alright, so I'm gonna call, you know, when you sync like your like thumbprint to your iPhone and you try and like open it with your other hand, I really don't, I don't, not a fan. Alright.
Hello?
Yo, a bunch of us are getting together for a fan meetup. Would you want to do that?
Where at?
We're going to do Dodges.
Dodges?
Yeah, in Elmer.
Alright, alright.
You good?
Get my stuff together. I'll be there in a few minutes, alright?
Okay, bye.
Alright.
Alright. Well, that'll get him to leave his house. Oh, fuck. I got a new car and it's so tiny, like I can't, like, maneuver anything. Oh, I gotta get this in my pocket. fuck is that? Whoa, this is bad lighting. Shit. Man. Yesterday it was like 70 degrees out, and today. Back up, back up. Come on. Alright, there he goes. Going door-to-door campaigning, I would do that all the time. Every single house. Yeah, it's like
Hey,
Fort
man.
Knox in here.
What are you doing here? Why didn't you come to the front?
Huh? I wanted to wait till your dad left. Hey, do you mind getting me some like tape and string?
What's this about?
Well, your dad pranked me in the middle of my stream a couple weeks ago.
Right, that.
Yeah. So this is
sure.
revenge.
I guess I'll help, but I didn't help. Know what I mean?
Yeah, whatever.
Alright,
cool.
String.
So do you actually want to know what I'm doing, or do you want to be?
A little bit of heads up would be good. What are you planning? Obviously, not with the fridge.
Okay.
Pick your poison.
All right, got it. Can you?
Sure.
Thank you.
So what's going on? So we got tape and string and orange juice.
Yeah, it's breakfast.
Making breakfast doesn't seem like much of a prank, but I appreciate it.
Oh, it'll be good. Ooh, I'll put that.
So you're putting stuff into the fridge.
Yeah, I'm actually just stocking your fridge for you. You're welcome.
Hey, wholesome pranks. I can get behind it.
Oh yeah. That's well balanced. So how you been, Tom? Everything been good?
I've been pretty good,
I
yeah.
haven't seen you in a while. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, there is kind of a pretty large age gap between us, so that kind of makes sense. You know?
How old are you?
21?
Oh shit! I'm like 7 years older than you.
Yeah.
Oh, do you have scissors?
Sure. They're right over here.
Awesome. Alright, so if I like this, which one? Oh, this one. Okay.
Make sure the door doesn't slam shut or hit you or anything.
Oh, well, thank you, sir. Oh, God. I don't got much time to do this.
So you haven't actually said what you're doing with this yet.
I feel like you don't really want to know. So if that's...
Oh, you're tying the... Okay. Alright, yeah, that's easy enough to figure out. I'm just gonna close the fridge door.
What do you mean? Now let's take this. I've never done this before, but I've...
You seem to know what you're doing.
Yeah, it looks that way. Alright, string. Oh, I guess I could just tie it around it. But... Cool beans. Cool beans. Okay. Forgot it was there for a second.
Yeah, I was gonna say, why are you ripping that open so hard? I mean, the lids aren't even off yet, so I guess it wouldn't be terrible?
Yeah. Actually, I will need to test that. Alright, cool. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. And this all I need to set up.
Yeah, so I was doing. How are you doing lately?
Oh, I've just been busy as tits. He's had this a long time coming. And I'm just really happy to finally have the opportunity to do it. I'll tie that. Oh, I'll tie that also to the orange juice. Good idea, Don.
Look, I'm not involved, remember?
Yeah, good idea.
The angle of everything makes it so hard to see what exactly you're doing.
I was gonna make some sort of like porn joke there, but nothing came up. Alright, so that was over there. Cool beans. Alright,
That's
so I'm just gonna set up a row of eggs here, and then he's gonna open it and it'll just slide them all out. Let me see what happens if I remove these little babies.
Yeah, you might want to move those because they'll just destroy them.
Alright, let's just see what it looks like. Alright, so clearly the orange juice is not going to come out.
No, that's kind of anchored to the door. Yeah, there's like a really big like lip for it to come over anyway. You would have had to.
Unless I put something underneath of it. That's
Oh yeah, those will be fine.
rips it out. Test number 2.
Not quite.
Test number 3.
All right.
Perfect.
That would work.
All right.
Oh, you're setting all those up in front of the thing.
Yeah, so then this pulls them and then they all fall down.
Yeah. See, I thought that you were going to be setting them inside.
Oh shit, I gotta unscrew this. You hold that for a second.
Yep.
There's the cap.
Oh boy.
There's the other cap.
Now we just have to hope that that's the spill outs inside, but considering we tested it, it should be good. Devious.
Oh, you notice how I kicked that?
Oh, not that big a deal. We just say the cat spilled. And we left all those eggs out.
Alright. Oh, he's gonna see those crackers are out.
Yeah, I don't think I can quite fix that.
On there. Oh,
Here, I'll do it.
Here,
You got it. Alright.
Sweep that. Scissors, I think, in there. Eggs on hide. Garfunk. Alright. So this is where it all happens. Actually, I could post up the camera right here. So there you have it, little brothers. Alright. I'm gonna try and set this up. What would be a good angle for this? Yo!
Hey, I'm sitting here at Dodge's. There ain't nobody here, man.
Wait, what are you doing at Dodgers right now?
I thought you said there's a fan meetup.
Dude, that's not for like 4 hours.
Oh, I thought you meant right away.
No.
Man.
No, I can't believe. Wow, you went there? Damn, dude.
Yeah. I'll go home. I'll have a couple beers or something, then I'll head back out later then.
Alright, I'll let you know when we head out.
Later.
Alright,
What's that?
I'll let you know when we head out.
Okay.
This
all
way
right,
we don't, we're there at the same time, you know?
Okay.
All right?
All right, thanks.
All right, later.
Bye.
All right, that'll do just fine. Cool. Shit. Guess I'll... Fuck! Tom! Tom!
Yeah.
What'd you do? What'd you do?
What I do? Whoa, what happened here?
Yeah, what happened here, Tom?
I don't know.
You're
I'm in
cleaning
my
this
room
shit
all the
up.
time.
You're cleaning it up.
I didn't do it.
All over my sneaker, dude. You didn't do it. What's the camera right here for, Tom?
What's our camera doing here?
It was you? I just wanted to make you breakfast. Yeah.
Okay, he's looking good.
What a freaking mess. Oh, I hope it didn't ruin the cat food. Oh, jeez.
I got the cat food too.
Man. Well, you had to know about it. How did you get here? That's
He
pretty
showed
good.
when he asked. He said Jeff left something here yesterday.
Yeah. He had nothing to do with this at all. Nothing.
So this was payback?
For what? Why? Did you do something to me? Did you? Wait. Did you prank me on my stream? Was that you? And then you left those buckets there trying to pretend it was Jesse and Buzz.
You know it was me, right?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, Oh man. Look
You
at
didn't
that.
buy that it was Buzz and
You know, somehow when it went up on your channel, I was just
Yeah.
like, something doesn't seem right. It doesn't look like Buzz and Jesse. Oh wait, it did look like Jesse though. But the other
Yeah,
guy was
it did
surely
work.
not Buzz.
it didn't work as good as I wanted it to. I wanted it to be that you would go after them.
Oh wow.
This was classic though.
Oh man, only cost me $8.94. Oh, what a classic. And I still have 6 eggs if you want to keep them.
So there is no fan meetup?
No, nobody wants to meet up with us.
I was waiting there like forever, and I'm like, I don't see JT's car here. I don't see nothing. I figure you guys are
Probably
coming
just
there
a
in
bunch of
second.
like old women like trying to enjoy a brunch on Sunday.
Yeah.
Trying to drink their little mimosas. I don't know if Dad just has mimosas.
Got it on my sneaks too.
Oh wow, that's a shame, you know? Is it in the fridge too? Did it get in the mess in the fridge? Oh, a little bit of OJ in there.
Damn it.
Oh no,
See
damn.
on the
Oh
It's on the
wow, oh
side.
jeez.
It's all the way up here.
Oh what? Oh,
flashed.
that's just, oh man. That's rough.
Wow.
You know, at least I didn't interrupt like 20 minutes of a stream or anything. No, yeah, that's cool. Alright, well I'm out of here.
Yeah.
It was good stopping by.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's locking me in. I forgot I went out the back door. Fuck. So there you have it, little brothers. A nice little payback. Payback's always just so much fun when you're me. It's just, I left a mess there for them and they're gonna have to clean it up, get in the crevices of the refrigerator. That's nice. Man. But seriously, there's nobody that wants to meet up with us. We ain't got no fans. We ain't got no fans at all. But you know what, guys? You know what? If you were a fan at all of this video, if you were a fan of all of me trespassing on private property, entering in under different terms than what the person that opened the door let him in thought, and then basically just like creating a 30-minute mess for somebody, just so I had some sort of feeling of retribution and satisfaction of such retribution. You know, vengeance is just like so great, you know? But if you're a fan at all of this, please, by all means, subscribe, follow, like this video, drop a comment, drop a hate comment, really. Drop any sort of comment you want, just as long as you're involved, right? Right. I got work. Oh, God. Anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe, do what you gotta do. All the links are in the description. You know what to do if you have any interest.